Welcome everyone. Here is a NetSuite Connector dashboards, and here is an instance of the dashboard NetSuite configuration, demo configurations. Also, we have refresh button. We also connected for the sandbox configurations. Here is a date range filter and also redirect the logs queue and configuration as well directly from here. Here is already 40 records are linked. One is a pendings, 5 is a failed, and 26 is processing. Here you can see is the summary of the contacts, product sales, purchase, load serials, payments, accounting. Here you can also go with the same, and we can also check here is the sync status. And we also payment terms as well, and here is a sync history. Sync history knows the types of all the sync records. Here is all the sync router, which success, which failed, which warning. According we have data. Also we have changed data according to filter date range wise. Just checked. Here is a 26 one day before. Is you can see that contacts and accountings only we have data. Thank you everyone.